Today we're gonna talk about that how we can apply this type of covers on your notebooks. This one is a notebook we're gonna apply in front of you, and you need this type of rolls of cover for applying. And what you have to do, first of all you have to measure the size. First of all it should be almost about 2.5 fingers of space spare, and after that you have to fold it like this, and you have to cut the paper. I'm using scissor. You can use the cutter too if you don't have scissors. And it's like this. Now what we have to do, we have to center the notebook or book, and after that we have to take our first cover, and after that we gonna insert it inside of it and press little bit. After that you have to flip this notebook, and you have to do same thing on this side too. There should not be any paper over there. It should not be any page extra, and that's it. But now it's not the trick over here. The trick is gonna give you right now, but before that please like and subscribe for get more videos like this. Now we have to cut from both sides a little space like this, and like this. From this one is from back side of the notebook, like this. This is the back side. But now from the front side we need two pieces over here too, so that we're gonna cut it from over here a little cut over here, so that we get these type of fins. Now we're gonna insert these into this space. This is the notebook's cover, and now this one is the paper cover. We're gonna insert it between this. This is the main trick. After that your cover never unfold automatically, and after that you have to fold this like this. We're gonna do for this one too. Insert it inside, and now this like this. Don't have to worry about anything right now. Press it a bit, and after that same thing do from off. I forgot to cut this one. I forgot to cut too. Okay, now do this from this side, and how we have to staple I'm gonna let you know just in few seconds. Do this folding this from this side too. And now it's ready almost. Our cover is almost ready, but how we have to staple and how we have to paste this sticker I'm gonna let you know right now. New generations are don't understood how to do these things, because they are very active in using mobile and other things. They don't do old school things. Now this is ready, but how we have to staple this? For that we have to staple these both covers from this side, and it should be like this over here, and that your pin side from the upper side, and this should not be outside because it can tear your clothes and can harm on your skin too. So that's the process how you can easily do the covering of your notebooks, books, your diaries, school diaries or anything like this. and that is almost ready. And now we have to paste this. Until we paste this sticker, please like, share and subscribe for get more
Hi guys.
videos like this. And she is enjoying because her notebooks are getting ready. I not able to find the option. I gonna paste it from over here.
Here.
Oh, okay.
Take it.
What, Mom?
I gonna do it from this one only. It's ready. And voila! Our notebook is almost ready. Enjoy the book, no problem in this. And you can, if want to tape it over here, you can tape it over here. Otherwise, it's ready to go.